Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos, give a thumbs up, and please leave an awesome comment. Now today we are going to be doing pork sirloin chops, so bone-in pork chops, and we're going to be doing it in the new Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. And we're actually going to be using the manual function, so I'll show you how to use the manual function on this thing as well. It's going to be super easy and delicious, like always. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so here's what we got. I just want to show you real quick what we got. As you can see up here, pork sirloin chops. So just pork chops, got a pretty good deal on them. Two nice big ones with the bone in. So I'm going to take these out of the package, and we're going to get them ready for you. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so this is what we got. As you can see, bone in sirloin pork chops, and so I just took them out of the package, and we're just going to go ahead and season them up. What we're going to do is we're going to use 3 layers of seasoning. Alright, now obviously you can use whatever you like, but this is a good combination on pork chops that I like. First thing is some Montreal chicken. Obviously it says chicken, but it's good on pork chops also. Then our second layer is going to be Heath Ryle's pecan rub. And this is a pretty heavy pecan flavor, so I'm not going to use much, but some of that. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of Heath Ryle's garlic jalapeno rub. These 3 seasonings are amazing. The Montreal chicken you can find at your regular grocery store. The other 2 seasonings you can find those on Amazon as well. So anyway, what we're going to do is go ahead and get these seasoned up. Okay, so we got our 3 layers of flavor here. Look at that, it smells amazing. It is absolutely super good. But so all we're gonna do is I'm just gonna let them sit here for just about 5 minutes or something. I'm going to turn these over and repeat the process. Same thing, and then we're gonna go to the air fryer and get these things grilled up for you. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are at the Ninja Foodi XL grill. First off, what we're using is the grill grate. Obviously, I always use the drip pan inside. So put the grill grate in, go ahead and close it up. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and turn this thing on. And I've already got the thermometer plugged in over here. And if you look over here, you have a preset or a manual button. What I'm going to use is manual. Once you hit that, you got your options. You can do manual on any one of these. We're going to hit grill. It's going to go on high. Now, if you hit manual again, it'll actually give you a target temperature if you know what you want to cook your meat to. Now with pork, we want to get these pork chops right around 145 to keep them juicy. We might pull them off just a tad bit before that, but you got your target temperature, everything's in, and you're good to go. Go ahead and hit start. This thing's going to preheat, and once it does, we'll throw these pork chops on. See you in a minute. Alright, we're back, and it's done preheating. As you can see, it says add food, so we're going to go ahead and open this up, and that thing is super hot. So I got my pork chops right here. Now the first pork chop, I'm gonna throw in over here on this side. Oh, sizzle, sizzle. The second pork chop, I've got the thermometer in. As you can see here. Now you want this in the center of the meat, as center as you can get it. Alright, and that's it. So we've got them in, seasoned, everything's already preset. All we have to do is go ahead and close the top. Once we close the top, you're going to see what your current temperature of your meat is. We're right now 51, 52 degrees. Our target temperature we're looking for is about 145. So we're gonna let this do its thing, and we'll bring it back to the next step in just a minute. Okay guys, we're back. Internal temperature 113, 114. It just said flip, and it made a beep noise to let you know to flip it. So we are going to open this up, and it's looking amazing right now. And ooh, look at that. Go ahead and give it a flip. And they are looking good, for sure. Alright, and then just go ahead and close the top again. After you flip, it'll resume. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, so our internal temperature is 144. So this, so right when it hit 145, you don't even have to worry about it. So now it's gonna say get food. So now what you wanna do, well, first of all, what I'm gonna do is I got my internal thermometer here. I'm just gonna kind of check what the internal temperature is, make sure that everything's good here. Anywhere from, yeah, these are in the 160s. That was the smaller piece. Oh, and the 151, 148, 147. So the one that put the thermometer in 146, it's right at, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but 147. So these are looking absolutely amazing. So we're actually gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it on the cutting board and let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll cut into it. And these things smell amazing. See you in a minute. Okay, real quick, I took the pork chops off, and this is kind of a key rule, but it also counts down the resting mode, and you want to let it rest for about 5 minutes. So anyway, just thought I'd let you see that as well. So anyway, we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, this is what we ended up with, and they look absolutely phenomenal. Great grill marks, and they were cooked perfectly. One was a little higher than I wanted, not even a big deal, but they turned out great. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. Let's see how juicy they are. And these are thick. This is about 1 inch or so thick. So, and those seasonings we put together, those 3 seasonings are phenomenal. Actually, I'll try to find a link for you for the Heath Riles seasonings. But let's go ahead and cut into this thing and kind of see what we got here. Look at that. Let me go ahead and cut here again, and I'll just take this piece right here, get a little bit of juice. Just as tender as can be. That's good. All right, we'll bring you up top. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we're finished with the cook, and that's how you do grilled pork chops in the Ninja Foodi. I mean, look at that other one. Turned out absolutely just awesome. Just tender and juicy. They were cooked absolutely perfect. I love this Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. It's absolutely amazing. You just pick your temperature, and it tells you when to flip it, and then it shuts off at your desired temperature. What I would have did is I'm actually put it about 142 and then let it rest. I let it rest for about 5 minutes and whatnot. But yeah, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. Please give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, well, here's the other half of what I was eating. This thing is phenomenal. Got a lot of meat to eat. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.